Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. This is going to be another unboxing video and I'm going to be opening these. This is a desk mat and this is a headset stand. So yeah, let's start with this. Okay. This is it. It's nice and long. It's a good size. I will show it to you soon. I've got it on my desk now. These gamers. Looks cool. I'm going to get my stuff and set it up and I'll be back to show you what it looks like. Okay, I'm back and here's what I got. I think it's pretty good. I do have books and things on the side as well for my studies. Yeah, this is only going to be a very short video, but yeah, I hope you enjoy it all the same. Leave a like if you did and subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you all next time. Bye!